Greetings and welcome to In Printing Color, brought to you by Polymaker. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and I'm actually streaming this live on twitch.tv/pezliz. I stream In Printing Color every single Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you join us because we get to do some Polymaker giveaways, we get to answer questions, and of course do some more exploration while we're at it. So, today we're going to be talking about something that I'm super excited about, and this is one of the newest additions to the Panchroma family, and that is from Polymaker's Silk Gradients. So the Silk Gradients are using the new silk formula, which is stronger, easier to print with, and of course in gorgeous colors. Now, I decided to play around with a new model by Flexi Factory, and that is the Cyber Owl. So this Cyber Owl is absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the chrome into silver gradient of this filament. Absolutely gorgeous filament, and of course a beautiful print with the silk air. We're going to take a look at all of the, of course, silk gradients. But this is especially awesome. Now, I love this in the single color of gradient. I think it's a great effect. It picks up all kinds of details of this beautiful print, but I had to do it in multicolor. I am the color swap queen, and that also includes swapping out colors to do a multicolor print. So I did this Cyber Owl again in the silk air, but I also used a little bit of the silk fire. And Hedgehog makes Galaxy Red, which is just an absolutely gorgeous red filament with that bit of glitter. So this is super fun, picks up all kinds of the details of this Cyber Owl, and of course certainly takes a lot more time to print, but is a very autumnal and steampunk. Autumnal steampunk, is that a thing? It is now. So this is absolutely gorgeous. But I can certainly see this filament being used for all sorts of prints. The silk air has that chrome silver gradient, so I can see swords, different cosplay props, swords and shields, all sorts of things like that. Definitely lots of robotic things. As you can see, this is the Cyber Owl, but definitely things that require a metallic look. You can see, vehicles, all sorts of things. The shine and sheen of this is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see with both models, absolutely beautiful. But this is, it's definitely a very unique and shiny filament. So let's take a look at what the Polymaker website says about this filament. As you can see, we go from chrome to a medium to a lighter silver with this color. And of course, when you see that in a print, it is called the cycle. So take a look right here. The cycle of silk air is 100 grams. So that means for 100 grams of printing, you're going to go all the way through the cycle. So with a smaller print, for example, this creepy boo boo by Wexter, you're only going to go from the lighter silver into the darker, not all the way to the chrome, with a smaller model. But if you print bigger models or multiple models on the plate, you're going to see that gradient go all the way through. Now, of course, there's more than just the silk air when it comes to this collection. We also have silk earth, which is a really interesting metallic earth tone gradient. Absolutely gorgeous, and that has an 85 gram cycle, so that's a bit of a shorter cycle. Silk water, of course, is silvery, lighter blue into a darker blue, and as you can see, absolutely gorgeous effect. That has a 105 gram cycle. The silk fire, which of course goes from lighter orange into darker orange, we have 110 gram cycle. So this cycle is a little bit more gradual, but still you get an amazing effect for this one. And then last but not least, All of the powers combined, we have Silk Rainbow, and that's a 145 gram cycle. As you can see, this is kind of a moody rainbow. Absolutely gorgeous though, and super fun to print with. We're going to take, of course, more look at all of these gradients through the time of imprinting color. But to talk about this filament in general, this is part of Polymaker's new silk formula. So it has, of course, some amazing new qualities. Definitely bends easily without breaking. Can work seamlessly with most printers. And of course, this is the important thing. With the new Panchroma Silk PLA, you have less chance of clogs, clog-free. You can certainly print faster. And of course, when you're printing faster, you know, a lot of printers now, they're printing faster. And when you're printing things with silk, in the past, you would have areas where, of course, the print was printing faster and you'd get banding, you get different colors almost, different finishes on a print. So you would go from like a really shiny silk to a satin to almost a matte, depending on how you're printing. So this formula, of course, improves that and eliminates that, so you can print fast with great results. The other thing, of course, with silks is oftentimes they were weaker. Now this one is a lot stronger and you get superior layer adhesion. So with the layer adhesion, of course, better. That means you can hand those things off to a kiddo and it's not going to break, or it'll break less often. I mean, we can't guarantee any print against a child. Kids are pretty rough on things. Plus, you can just reprint. But this is less of a chance to have to reprint. So this new formula is absolutely fantastic. And going through all the different elements, I think this that this absolutely gorgeous Silk Air is a great choice for all sorts of prints. Whether you're doing a bust, like I said, a sword, or something like this gorgeous cyber owl, it's ready for you. It's ready for you to print with. And what's really cool right now is it's on sale. So as you can see here, there's a regular price, but if you put that in your cart on the Polymaker website right now, you get 35% offered at checkout. So Polymaker right now from the, we'll scroll up here, from the 7th to the 10th of October, they have their Restock Day sale. So with this, 35% is applied at checkout. If you're in the US, you'll get the 5% cashback rewards as well. And of course, for US and Canada, you get free shipping. So absolutely awesome. So this is your chance to get your hands on some beautiful filament. Try something new. This is certainly ready for spooky season as well. I can see all sorts of fun prints that you might do with this, but just absolutely gorgeous. And of course, as you can see, nice uniform finish, superior shine, and it works well in multicolor as well. So get your hands on some Silk Air. Also explore the whole silk collection and take a look at everything that Polymaker has to offer, and have some fun. So this has been Imprinting Color. As I mentioned, you can catch me live on twitch.tv/pezliz. I stream every day but Tuesdays and Thursdays at this point. So, but Imprinting Color is on Wednesdays. And we're going to take a look at many different models from all kinds of designers over the course of the next little while. Also with Pezliz Presents, which is my Saturday show, sponsored by Polymaker, where we build relationships with designers and Polymaker and see what magic we can make with all the different Polymaker materials. But definitely the Panchroma silk with all the different colors, including the gradients, are a superior formula that I'm really excited to test out on this show. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Thank you so much for joining me for Imprinting Color, and see you next time.